Some are born into joy, while others open their eyes to sorrow. Some walk with ease, others carry invisible burdens. Have you ever paused and wondered, why does life unfold so differently for each of us? In the quiet stillness of 2,600 years ago, the Buddha looked into the heart of existence and saw not randomness, not punishment, but a law as precise as nature itself, a law of action, a law of mind, a truth deeper than fate, called karma. Let us begin the journey to understand this truth. Look at the world around you. Trees grow, animals are born and die. People succeed and fail. Some are healthy, others suffer. Some live long, others leave too soon. It may seem unfair, random, but there is a pattern, a hidden process guiding all of it. The Buddha called this pattern Dhamma, the natural law. Nothing happens without a cause. Everything has a reason. At the core of this natural law lies karma. To understand karma is to understand life itself. The word karma comes from Sanskrit. It means action. But in Buddhism, it goes deeper. It means intentional action. The Buddha said, intention, monks, is karma. This means karma is not what happens to you. It's what you choose to do with your body, your speech, your mind. Every choice leaves a mark. Every thought becomes a seed. These seeds grow into experiences, in this life or the next. So karma is not just about the past. It's about what you're creating right now. Many people misunderstand karma. It's not a punishment. It's not divine judgment, and it's not fate. Buddha taught us, you are not a slave to your past. You are free right now to shape your future. Karma is like planting a garden. If you plant mango seeds, you'll get mangoes. If you plant poison ivy, you'll get pain. Simple, clear, just. Even a single act of kindness can brighten your path. Even a single angry word can cast a shadow. That is the beauty and the responsibility of karma. Buddhism teaches that life doesn't end with death. Our actions, our karma, continue. When the body dies, the mind continues. It finds a new form, a new birth. This is the cycle of samsara, birth, death, rebirth. We go through it again and again, guided by karma. Why are we born in a certain family, country, or body? Karma. Why do we face joy or sorrow early in life? Karma. But this is not hopeless. The Buddha found a way out of samsara by ending karma itself. Karma is not one thing, it works in many ways. By function, reproductive karma determines your rebirth. Supportive karma strengthens other karma. Obstructive karma weakens karma's effects. Destructive karma overpowers and cancels other karmas. By time, immediate karma, you see the result in this life. Next life karma ripens in your next rebirth. Delayed karma may ripen far into the future. Ineffective karma overpowered by stronger karma. Karma is like wind patterns in the sky. Many forces come together, but every breeze has a cause. Let's take a moment and reflect. You help someone with kindness. One day you find unexpected help. You lie to gain something. One day you feel distrust and fear. Sometimes it's instant, sometimes it takes time, but nothing is ever lost. Karma never forgets. Even a small action can shape a lifetime. Even a smile can return to you in the most surprising way. So walk gently, speak truthfully, act with care. The 5 results of karma. Ripened. Result shapes your life and body. Result corresponding to cause, you get what you gave. Dominating result impacts your environment. Constructed result, karma creates new situations. Result of separation cleanses and reveals your true nature. Every result is like a mirror. It shows us who we've been and what we're becoming. Karma is not everything. Buddha also taught that karma is not the only cause. Natural conditions like weather, biology, or chance also play a role. If a child is born ill, it may not always be karma. If a person becomes rich, it may be due to effort or environment. So avoid judgment. Never say, they deserved it. Instead, practice compassion. Karma is complex. It is only one thread in the fabric of life. If life is hard, don't lose hope. You are not being punished, you are being awakened. Pain can teach, struggle can strengthen, loss can open the heart. Even the darkest karma can become light through understanding, patience, and love. So walk with courage, walk with kindness. Every step is part of your path. You are not behind, you are not broken, you are becoming. Karma is not a mystery. It is not meant to confuse or frighten. It is here to guide us, to remind us that every choice matters. So plant good seeds, speak good words, live a good life, and let us walk this path together with mindfulness, with love, and with the wisdom of the Buddha. This is mindfulness. This channel is for what the Buddha really taught. May your path be clear, may your heart be light, may your karma lead you to peace.